enthusiasts. Today we're taking a delicious detour from the usual sweet waffles and venturing into the realm of savory delights. We're whipping up some fantastic savory waffles adorned with the freshness of asparagus, the richness of Gruyere cheese, and the sweet allure of caramelized onions. To start, gather all the ingredients. Quality is key here, so pick the freshest asparagus and the finest Gruyere cheese you can find. For the waffle batter, you'll need all-purpose flour, baking powder, salt, granulated sugar, large eggs, milk, unsalted butter, and grated Gruyere cheese. To make the batter, whisk together the flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar in a large mixing bowl. In another bowl, beat the eggs, then add the milk and melted butter, mixing well. Pour these wet ingredients into the dry mixture and stir until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Fold in the grated Gruyere cheese until it's evenly distributed throughout the batter. Now we turn to our toppings. Heat olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add the sliced onion and cook until it's softened and lightly caramelized. This should take about 5 to 6 minutes. Now add the asparagus pieces to the skillet and continue cooking for another 3 to 4 minutes, or until the asparagus is tender crisp. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Next, preheat your waffle iron according to the manufacturer's instructions. Once heated, lightly grease the waffle iron with non-stick cooking spray. Pour some batter onto the center of the waffle iron and spread it out evenly. Close the waffle iron and cook until the waffles are golden brown and crispy. Now, for the best part, assembly. Place a cooked waffle on a serving plate. Top it with a spoonful of the cooked asparagus and onion mixture. Sprinkle additional grated Gruyere cheese on top, and if you're feeling fancy, garnish with some fresh chopped parsley. Repeat the process with the remaining waffle batter and toppings. Serve these savory waffles warm, as a delightful breakfast or brunch dish that's bound to impress. Thanks for joining me on this savory waffle journey. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe for more unique and delicious dishes. And I'd love to hear your thoughts or your own creative waffle topping ideas in the comments. Until next time, happy cooking!